The PR still have that suspect. Also.
Tyson. 2017, the PR does not have a visual anymore. She can hear a male begging the suspect to leave. They're in the second floor. Suspect's a male Hispanic wearing a white shirt. PR is locked inside of her unit, no longer has a visual.
I'm bringing us at 289.
Hey, let me see your hands, bro.
Hey, hey. 291. Ambulance coming.
Let me get it back up.
Ambulance.
Hey, get out of the way, get out of the way. Officer needs help. Shots fired. Hey, get out of the floor, get out of the floor. Don't fucking move. 291, shots fired. Pico and Union. Officer needs help. I got the blade right here, bro. Yeah. Put your hands out. Put your hands out.
Hey,
put your hands out to the side.
Hey, step away that way, please.
391, let me get an RA to a male. Conscious and breathing. Union South of Pico. Suffering gunshot wounds. Hey, let's get behind cover over here, dude.
391, Roger.
Hey! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! No, I got the knife over here. Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Oh, no.
No, he doesn't have the knife. He doesn't have the knife. Get on the fucking ground!
I'm bringing us at 289.
Hey, let me see your hand, bro.
I'm bringing us at 291.
Hey, get the blade. Hey, get the blade up. Get the blade up. Get the blade up.
Shots fired. Hey, get on the floor! Get on the floor! Don't fucking move!
Hey, stop! Stop!
He doesn't have the knife. He doesn't have the knife. Get on the
Drop it! Drop it!
Don't move! Don't move! Turn around! Don't move! Stop moving! Turn around! Hey, somebody stand over there with the article. It's in front of my shop.
Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Stop resisting!